Hello friends, happy to help you on this channel. Let's make neem tea today. We need fresh neem leaves, few dried basil leaves, a piece of cinnamon, few black peppers, a clove and a glass of water. Friends, I will prepare this tea in an electric kettle. You can prepare this on gas. First of all, put water into the kettle. Give it a boil. At this point, add all the spices and neem leaves too. Give it a good boil. Cover the lid and wait for next 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, green tea is ready. Let's pour this into a glass. Viewers, this neem tea has so many antioxidants which purify our blood and helps us to fight with cancer problems. So I recommend you all to please take once a day. Your glass of neem tea is ready. It is very bitter in taste, so you can add some lemon or some sweetener to this. It has anti-malarial, antibacterial and antiviral properties, and it also increase your immunity. So friends, please take a glass of neem tea daily, but do not overdose this, and pregnant women and lactating women can avoid this. Thanks for watching.